Hey there, savvy shoppers. If you're looking to maximize your savings while shopping online, Rakuten is your new best friend. It's a fantastic cashback platform that partners with thousands of stores to give you money back on purchases. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to track your Rakuten cashback, so you can keep an eye on your earnings and make the most of every dollar. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need a Rakuten account. Head over to rakuten.com and sign up for free. It's quick and easy. Just enter your email, create a password, and verify your account. Once you're in, download the Rakuten browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, or another browser you use. This little tool is a game changer because it automatically detects when you're shopping at a partnered store and applies cash back. Now, for the fun part, shopping and tracking. When you want to make a purchase, start from the Rakuten website or use the extension to click through to your favorite retailer. After you complete your purchase, Rakuten will track it and add the cashback to your account. To check your earnings, log into your Rakuten dashboard. You'll see a clear overview of your pending and available cashback, along with transaction details like the store, amount, and date. Pro tip: make sure to link any email accounts you use for shopping, so Rakuten can automatically detect more transactions. Also, check your dashboard regularly. Cashback can take a few days to a couple of weeks to post, depending on the retailer. If you ever spot a missing transaction, Rakuten has a support team to help you out. Wrapping this up, tracking Rakuten cashback is straightforward and can lead to serious savings over time. Give it a try on your next online shopping spree, and watch your rewards add up. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.